Hey, let me ask you something real fast. Have you ever watched a show and found yourself leaning forward just to catch what was said, like the dialogue was hiding behind the music and effects? That exact frustration is why the Bose Smart Dolby Atmos Soundbar changed how I think about my living room audio. This is for the person who notices when something sounds off, when voices aren't clear, when big scenes feel hollow, when your TV's built-in speakers just can't keep up with the depth your content deserves. If that's you, take a moment now to check the current price and availability, because smart soundbars with this level of presence don't sit steady at good pricing for long. You know it was time to upgrade the moment you cranked the volume higher and higher, trying to wrestle clarity out of your old setup. I felt that, background noise masking speech, effects that lacked punch, music that felt flat instead of layered. That's when you realize you're not listening with your gear anymore, you're battling against it. The first time I pressed play with the Bose on, everything snapped into place. Dialogue wasn't just louder, it was understandable without adjusting settings. Surround effects wrapped around the room in a way that made scenes feel present instead of distant. Once you feel that kind of cohesion between voice and ambience, anything less feels like a compromise you shouldn't have settled for. In real use, this soundbar doesn't just fill the room, it balances it. Highs stay crisp without harshness, bass has weight without boominess, and Atmos effects don't just hit your ears, they pull you into the moment. Watching movies feels more immersive, shows feel richer, and even casual TV becomes something you enjoy instead of tolerate. And while you're thinking it over, don't sit on this idea waiting for some big better deal. Pieces like this often shift in stock and cost before you realize you missed out, and if it's already on your mind, that's a cue you've felt the limits of your setup long enough. Maybe you're thinking all soundbars are similar or that a cheaper one could be good enough. That's exactly where people end up settling for less. This isn't just about volume or marketing slogans, it's about clarity and presence that you actually feel every time you watch something. Cheaper alternatives might make noise, but they rarely define the sound in a way that feels intentional. One surprise I didn't expect was how natural the voice mode feels. Instead of struggling to hear conversation over soundtracks or effects, everything sits right where it belongs in the mix. You don't have to crank levels or guess whether speech will cut through, it just does. That ease changes how you watch, how your family listens, how your evenings sound. Owning this soundbar doesn't make your room louder, it makes your experience clearer. You don't find yourself rewinding because you missed what was said. You don't tense up during action scenes because the mix is messy. You just watch and the audio supports every moment with intention. Voices stay articulate without strain, scenes feel layered, deep, and alive. Music carries depth without harsh edges. Atmos surrounds without distortion. Your listening feels intentional, not muddled. It isn't the tiniest or cheapest option on the market, and some may pause at the investment, but once you live with how it elevates your everyday watching, those concerns fade because sound finally feels right. At some point, endless comparison stops and you choose what actually enhances your experience. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you postpone and regret every time words blur or effects feel flat again. Check the current price and availability now, decide with confidence, and step into the kind of sound experience that doesn't just play your content, it reveals it.